What's up, YouTube? We have the latest project in the shop. It's Sportsman 500 HO. It's a 2006 and it was a no start bike. On top of that, when you turn the key on, which there's no battery right now, it would actually flash hot as if it was overheating. So I tried to do some research on the forums. It led to a few different things. ECU failure was one of them, fan failure, even a starting relay. Okay, very obvious. So what I do first, go to the fan. It is locked up. Okay, replace the fan. We still have no start. You turn the key and literally nothing happens. So now I'm moving on. Here's the original starting relay. Not to the frame, it's very awkward. And here is a, relatively new looking one. Well, I bought this bike from my cousin. He didn't know what was going on with it. And he just wanted to get rid of it, honestly. He grounded out these posts on the frame. Well, it damaged the solenoid. It still, you could feel it click, but it wouldn't make contact. It burnt the contacts out. So, ordered a new solenoid. Let's see. Got it mounted in the correct location, which is, where are you, camera? Right here. Airbox has to come out to get to it. Waiting on the battery. I want a new battery for this bike. I'm not going to do all this work and put an old battery. But the other common problem is the ECU goes bad. So the very first thing I did, well, after the fan obviously, because you can just touch it, I took this apart and I wanted to make sure it had no corrosion. Take these screws out, take it out, take the panel, no corrosion, no burnt computer smell, no bad contacts, and go through it. So, don't be too afraid of electrical problems on these bikes. I think 04 to 06 is the same layout. They're not that complicated. Just take your time, don't throw money at it. The other problem with this bike is that the brakes were very soft. I'm going to do wheel bearings and brake pads, but the actual rear master cylinder was completely frozen. So I installed a new one, and now we actually have pressure. So, show it right there. $15. No big deal. eBay, Amazon, I don't know, one of my favorites. But there you go, we're going to bring it back to life, and I'll have a video of it running, driving here after we get the wheel bearings and brake pads on. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching.